Cloud computing architecture, and this is, I think, very famous architecture. Most of the people in IT, they know what is this architecture all about. Cloud computing architecture refers to the comprehensive framework that enables the delivery of cloud services such as infrastructure, platform, software over the internet. This architecture consists of various components including hardware, software and network resources that work together to provide scalable and on-demand computing resources. Let's see the key characteristics of this architecture. So first is service models. What type of service models this architecture provides? And what I have done, I have created a table because we have different offerings for this architecture. For example, we have infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, function as a service, container as a service. These are all the service models available. And let's understand with some description and example. Infrastructure as a service, it provides virtualized computing resources over the internet, allowing users to manage operating systems and applications. Okay, and examples are AWS EC2, Google Compute Engineer. So consider if you have used VM, virtual machine, right, or remote desktop. That is one of the example of infrastructure as a service. Platform as a service offers a platform allowing developers to build, deploy and manage applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. And the examples are Google App Engine, Microsoft Azure App Service, etc. Right? So this cloud will provide you the platform, and you will just work on the application, whatever application you want to deploy. Then we have software as a service. It delivers software applications over the internet, accessible through web browsers, eliminating the need for local installation. Example is Gmail is very popular example. Gmail, Google Docs, Microsoft 365, those are all our examples. We just need to use the software. Then we have function as a service, a serverless computing model that allows developers to run code in response to events without managing servers, automatically scaling as needed. So one thing to note here, we are talking about right now cloud architecture, right? But here we are also discussing serverless architecture. Like I said earlier, we always combine different flavors of architecture when we design any application. And serverless function as a service examples could be AWS Lambda, Google Cloud Functions, etc. So as many requests are coming, as many instances of Lambda functions will be created, right? So and no need to manage; it's managed by AWS. So function as a service. Okay, container as a service. It provides a container management service that enables users to deploy and manage containerized applications. Another architecture type. Containerized is also an architecture type, so that is also common. So we can create package and then we can use the container to deploy those packages. Examples would be very popular is like, for example, Kubernetes and then Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, EKS, etc. Those are the popular services provided by AWS, GCP, Azure. Now let's see the deployment models. So deployment models also I kept in a table format. So we have different deployment models within cloud. We have public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, multi-cloud. Public cloud is services are delivered over the public internet. That's why it's public cloud and shared among multiple organizations. Not built to a specific organization, it's built for public usage. Examples are AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, those are all public cloud. And of course the benefits are that these are cost effective, scalable, accessible, no need for physical infrastructure, pay as you go subscription, whatever features we have on cloud computing, right? No need to decide right away what do you need, you can just increase auto scaling, all those features are there. Then private cloud. Private cloud is dedicated infrastructure for a single organization, providing enhanced control and security. So it is just for one organization, they have created their own cloud. No one can access that. And examples are VMware Private Cloud, OpenStack. So these cloud, they provide private cloud option as well. And the benefits are, of course, the greater control, security, because no one can access. Even the hardware is, you are only utilizing the hardware, no one is having access at all. And tailored resource for specific needs. Then we have hybrid cloud. Basically this one and this one, combination of these two, combines public and private clouds, allowing data and applications to be shared between them. And the examples are, of course, AWS, Google, Azure. They all provide hybrid cloud as well. Okay, benefits would be flexibility to manage workloads, optimize resources use, etc. And finally, we have the multi-cloud option, which is utilizes services from multiple cloud providers to enhance flexibility and avoid vendor lock-in. So it means using AWS services, Google Cloud services, Azure services, right? Other characteristics would be, of course, all the cloud features will come into play. Scalability. Cloud architecture allow for elastic scaling, auto scaling, upscaling, downscaling, meaning resources can be provisioned for or deprovisioned as needed to handle varying workloads. Today I am having 100 users, so I need maybe lesser size of VM. Tomorrow I am having thousands of users, so I just increase the size of my VM. It is just that can be configured automated way. Multi-tenancy means multiple users, organizations share the same infrastructure when maintaining data isolation and security. Optimizing resource usage. It means they have these cloud providers, they have the data centers, and it is possible that if you are using the public cloud, that more than one organization is using the same hardware. That is multi-tenancy. Virtualization technology underlies cloud computing, enabling the creation of virtual machine and efficient resource allocation. Just within a few clicks, you can create a new virtual machine, new desktop of any of the type, right? So that is one of the capability. Let's see the benefits of this architecture. Cost efficiency. It reduces the need for upfront capital investment in hardware and allow organizations to pay only for what they use. Services can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, facilitating remote work and collaboration. Organizations can quickly scale resources up or down based on demand, ensuring agility in responding to changing business needs. And cloud providers manage update and maintenance, reducing the burden on IT staff. And these are not just the one, the list will be long using cloud, and I have created a separate list of cloud computing. Please check that if you need more details. Let's see the use cases. Different use cases, and this is very tiny distributed web hosting websites and application in cloud for improved reliability. Then we have cloud storage solution. We can use, for example, AWS S3 for storage or backup. Sometimes what people organization do, they use the private cloud, but for backup they use public cloud. So that is also doable. Application development, leveraging platform as a service for rapid development, testing and deployment of application. Then big data analytics, analyzing large data sets using cloud-based tools and services that provide the necessary computing power. So this is just a small tiny list of the benefits, but there are many benefits of using cloud services. Service mesh architecture.